2000 Plymouth Neon. Window won't roll up or roll down. It's real screwy. There's going to be a dummy clip that's going to hold this on, which I lost like a big dummy. You can just knock it off with a flathead screwdriver like I did. You just got to reach in the back and kind of hit it with your hand, and it'll come flying off and go in the yard somewhere, and you'll lose it, and you won't need it no more. There's a stupid screw behind the handle, and a stupid screw down inside the pull handle where you get out. So if you're fighting with this thing trying to get it off, that's where you need to go looking. Get those taken care of probably first. There's just a series of little plug clips on the sides. Make sure you start at the top, and you'll pull those out first. And as you're coming down the corner, you want to get your screwdriver in between the rubber and that little cap doodad on the top there. And once you twist that flathead in there, it'll break it free without breaking it. And you'll work your way on down and around until you get them all. Well, see, look, I screwed up and pulled too hard on it and broke it. Nope, I didn't break it, thank goodness. Alright. Well, anyway, only thing we're worried about on this dude is getting that one to just stay up or accidentally fix it.